Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am planning in my Erin Condren Vertical. I am using the WONTON in a Million weekly sticker kit. It's one of the ones that's exclusively designed for Michaels, and they cost $8 Canadian. I find them such an amazing value. I use the weekly stickers at the top to denote which day it is. I don't like covering up the dates. If you're going to pay for a dated planner, I feel like you should utilize the dates that are there. But I like that they have the days of the week and they add a really nice strip of color. So I put them underneath. Then I just go through with a series of boxes and I cover up all of the white space, basically. I do leave some places available to write in. I have a general idea of what my week is going to look like, so I keep that in mind when I'm putting down my to-do lists and the different boxes and stuff. But for the most part, all I use is this one kit. So for $8 Canadian, that's an amazing value. I'm going to come in and I'm going to add some other stickers as well from the Happy Planner. And these are just icons. So there's some volleyball because I have a volleyball tournament I'm playing in. My son's got a soccer banquet. My daughter's got an addition. We get paid, like all these different things. I'm putting some little specific stickers in. So it's as simple as that. I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you'll find lots of crafty inspiration here and unboxing videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.